Government agencies face unrelenting pressure to do more with less. More efficiency, more productivity, but without data systems, siloed data, and shrinking resources. The results? Strained budgets, vulnerable infrastructure that's expensive to repair or replace, and a national security risk that's growing by the day. At NEXGEN Asset Management, we're breaking through these challenges with our cutting-edge asset management software. We empower agencies to work smarter, streamlining operation with real-time asset visibility, reducing downtime, and boosting efficiency by up to 20%. Our technology helps agencies modernize aging infrastructure, extending asset life cycles by 25%, and cutting energy costs for a sustainable future. We strengthen national security by safeguarding critical assets against threats like Salt Typhoon and other malware, ensuring compliance and resilience. And with predictive analytics, we help agencies optimize federal investments, maximizing budgets and limiting waste. NextGen isn't just about improving asset management. We're redefining how government operates. We deliver accountability, efficiency, risk insight, future success, so agencies can secure today and thrive tomorrow. Discover how NextGen Asset Management can transform federal government operations. Secure today, thrive tomorrow. Let's build a more efficient, secure, and sustainable future for federal government.
Scan the QR code on the screen to download our full brochure or visit nextgenam.com/FedGov.